In the last class, I explained about apportionment of input tax credit and blocked credit. Under this class, I am going to explain about input service distributor section 20 and transfer of input tax credit. Input service distributor section 20 deals with the input tax credit is distributed to suppliers of goods or services or both of same entity having same PAN. ಸೇಮ್ ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸೇಮ್ ಎಂಟಿಟಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ರೂಲ್ 4 ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ರೂಲ್ಸ್. Supplier of goods or services are both of the same entity having same PAN number ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕರಿತೀವಿ. The input service distributor shall distribute the credit of central tax as a central tax or integrated tax and integrated tax as an integrated tax or central tax by way of issue of document containing the amount of input tax credit being distributed in such a manner as may be prescribed. The input service distributor may distribute the credit subject to the following conditions, namely: the credit can be distributed to recipient of credit against a document containing in such details. The amount of the credit distributed shall not exceed the amount of credit available for distribution. ಏನು ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೋ ಅದು ಅವೈಲಬಲ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. In credit of tax paid on input service attributable to recipient of credit shall be distributed only to that recipient. Under the current tax regime, the definition of input service distributor includes an office of the manufacturer or producer or final products or provider of output service which receives invoice issued under 4A of service tax rules. 1994 towards purchase of input service issue invoice, bill or challan for the purpose of distributing the credit of service tax paid on the said services. Such manufacturer, producers or provider ನಾವು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Hence the availability of CENVAT to IST is distributed by its units and outsourced manufacturers. The credit of tax paid on input service attributed to more than one recipient of credit shall be distributed among such recipients to whom the input service is attributable, and such distribution shall be pro rata on the basis of turnover in state or turnover in a union territory of such recipient during the relevant period to the aggregate of the turnover of all such recipients to whom such input service is attributable and which are operational in the current year during the said relevant period. The credit of tax paid on input service attributable to all recipients of credit shall be distributed among such recipients, and such distribution shall be pro rata on the basis of turnover. The relevant period shall be if the recipient of credit have turnover in their states or union territory is the financial year preceding the year during which the credit is to be distributed. If all recipients of credit do not have any turnover in their states or union territory in the financial year preceding the year during which the credit is to be distributed, the last quarter for which details of such turnover of all recipients are available previous to the month during which credit is to be distributed. The expression of recipient of credit means the supplier of goods or services are both having the same permanent account number as that input service distributors. The term turnover in relation to any registered person engaged in the supply of taxable goods as well as goods not taxable under this act means the value of turnover reduced by the amount of any duty or tax levied. Transfer of input tax credit. Section 53 provides simple but important modes of operating in respect of post CGST, SGST and UTGST utilization toward IGST liability. On utilization of input tax credit availed under this Act for payment of tax dues under the IGST Act in accordance with the provision of subsection 5 of the section 49 as reflected in the valid return furnished. The amount collected as central tax shall stand reduced by an amount equal to such credit. So utilized and central government shall transfer an amount equal to the amount so reduced from the central tax account to the integrated tax account in such a manner and within such time as may be prescribed. Under 49 subsection 5 B, C, D of this Act, CST, CGST, UTGST credits can be utilized by a taxpayer on priority basis to respective SGST, CGST and UTGST dues first, then in case of CGST balance, if any, can be used to pay towards IGST. If used so, there shall be reduction in the central tax caused by the central government and equal credit shall be ensured to IGST in the prescribed manner. Such treatment shall be ensured by the central government for UTGST and STGST also in respective cases. This is the information regarding input service distributors and input on capital goods. Thank you.